Ready? What's this? Go stand over here.
No.
Yeah, look. Come here. What's this? What does this say? Is that a donkey? What does donkey say? What's this one? Cow? What does the cow say? What does the cow say? Nola? What does the cow say? What's this one? A sheepy. What does the sheepy say? What about a horsey? What does the horsey say? What does the horsey say? Nola? What does the horsey say? What does the puppy say? What does the kitty cat say? What does the donkey say? No, the donkey. What does the tiger say? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, you got to stand here to show me what the fishy says. Look at me. Ready? Show me what a fishy says. I couldn't see because you're walking. Stand over here. I'll show you after, okay? Come here, Nosy. Stand right there. Stand right there. Yeah, it's your farm. Just like last time you looked. Yeah. Okay, now look at me. Stay there. Come here. You playing with your kitchen? You got food all over the floor. What have you got? Dessert? Here, Nola. Show me what a fishy says. Oh, you're all blurry, honey. Yeah, that's your train tracks. Yeah. Yeah. Now, stay there. Stay right there. Look at me. Show me what a fishy says. Oh, you move too much. Can you say hi? Can you say bye?
Bye.